Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, we're going to continue our discussion regarding the moon and her amazing ways. So, in this video, we're going to be talking about the days of the week and how they relate to the moon. Of course, we all know we have 7 days of the week, and each day have its own representation. So we're going to go through all seven. We're going to discuss the personalities and the actual attributes that the moon rules over, and we're going to also discuss the other planetary bodies that co-rule each day with the moon. So let's just get started. So as you can see, you can use the moon's energy throughout the week to manifest that which you desire, that which you need. If you have an issue or a problem that you're working on, this is pretty much a guide to help you understand when the energies to heal and to counter these issues are the strongest, so that you may use the moon's energy and the current day's ruler to overcome that which you are looking to resolve. Hopefully this helps. Hopefully this video leads you to a stronger, better you, and look out for more.